Hello guys, 70% of shoppers abandon their carts before buying. That's not lost forever. With Shopify's built-in abandoned cart recovery, you can reel those customers back in automatically. Let's set it up in minutes and start recovering those sales. So, from your Shopify dashboard, click on settings at the bottom left of the screen, then scroll down and click on checkout button. Scroll down to the abandoned checkout emails section here. Now when you see the abandoned checkout email section, this is where the magic will begin. So check the boxes that says send abandoned checkout emails automatically and choose how long after the cart is abandoned you want the emails to be sent. Pro tip, set it for 1 to 3 hours while the shopper is still in decision mode. And if you want to sound more like you and less like robot, head over to settings, navigate to notifications and choose abandoned checkout and click edit. Here you can tweak the email subject, wording and even include product images or discount codes. Make it warm, clear and enticing. Like, still thinking it over, your items are waiting for you and we have added 10% off. So incentivize return shoppers by creating a special discount code just for abandoned carts. You can do the discount codes in the discount section. You can create a new discount by clicking on create account, choose amount of products or amount of order and add the amount of discount you want to give to the abandoned checkouts, and this will help you test what's working or tweak the copy and timing. Now if you want SMS reminders or multi-step recovery, apps like Klaviyo or Omnisend or Abandonment Projector will give you more power and personalization. Final thought, abandoned cart recovery is like a second chance machine and it runs on autopilot. Once you set it up, you will wake up to a recovered sale you didn't have to chase. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.